Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. Stunning autumn day, and we have a stunner of a shed for you, don't we, Sean?
We do. We're out near Karapiro, which is a lovely little area in the Waikato. Got the rowing, got the nice lake as well. So
the cyclists.
Yeah, the cyclists, but yeah, a nice spot for a good old Waikato shed as well.
Yeah, well, we've already been here a couple of times to see this build happening, so why don't we just reminisce and see how we've got to this stage so far, and then we can go and have a look.
Hey guys, Sean here. Hope you guys are having a good week. Waitangi weekend this weekend, so just out on site checking up on some projects before the long weekend. We're down in Karapiro and we've got an awesome mono-pitch shed behind us. It's 216 square meters. So we've got 5 meter high walls on the high side and 4 meters on the low side. It's got T-rib all over and it's a mixture of 2 colours. It's actually got flax pod and grey freya, so I think the clients chose really cool colours. There's a lot going on here at the moment. Central scaffolding is actually going to be here soon to just take down all the scaffolding, which would be cool. And also we've got the Iron Man concrete cutting there and here, just doing some polishing and grinding of the little internal part of the shed, which is going to be an office and bathroom for the client. But I reckon we just go have a quick look inside and see what is going on, and then we'll meet up with Andy and see how the build's been going so far. But follow me through and I'll show you. So we just walk into this first bay and it's pretty cool what the client's done. He's actually locked it off from the rest of the shed. So there's an internal wall that's going to be dividing this part and the actual shed, as you can see. Don't know what he's going to use this area for. We'll have to come back and have a look, but an awesome little space just to lock it all off. And now we walk into the big shed. You can see Andy's working away. This was the little internal section that I was talking about that the concrete grinders are actually working on at the moment. And yeah, it's going to be cool. I know that Andy's booked a pre-line inspection, so hopefully he can start obviously lining it next week or the week after and make it finished real quickly for the client. That's the internal wall over there. That's what it looks like from this side. So it's just got the same cladding as the outside T-rib. It's looking really nice. Also, what's pretty cool with the system that we use, our top hats and purlins, it's really easy for electrical to be run through the sheds. As you can see, it's already been done. There's some nice lights already up in here in the ceiling. Walking around the shed as well, you can see little power points just put, like there's one over there in that divider wall, one here. So obviously the client's thought about what he's going to be using the shed for, and obviously fitted it out for purpose. So yeah, I reckon we go have a chat with Andy, see how the build's been going, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right, we got Andy here. How's it going, Andy?
Yeah, good mate.
Nice to see you.
You too, Happy New Year.
Yeah, you too. It's a lovely day we got here, as you can see, sun shining. But yeah, how's this build been going? Coming along nicely, nearly there?
Yeah, no, it's been good. It's good doing it in the summer, a lot easier, nice and warm and that. So no, it's come along well.
We have been hit with some pretty nice weather recently, so
yeah,
it's lovely.
It does track things along a little bit faster and nicer.
Yeah. So has there been any interesting things with this build? I know it's with you guys, it's the first mono pitch you've done for us.
Yeah.
So it's a little bit different to what you've been doing with for us, but any challenges or anything interesting that's happened during this build?
Yeah, a little bit, eh? Yeah, it's been obviously first time using the steel frame in bits and pieces. Very quick, straight and efficient to put up.
Yeah.
All the joists, same again, real fast to put up. So yeah, it's been good to work with.
So it was easy working with like the portal frame and the steel house framing together?
Yeah, very easy, quick and fast. Everything's true and straight, so makes it easy and nice and easy to all put up.
And then obviously there was that internal wall as well. Was that something, you haven't done one of those for us before, eh?
No, I haven't. Yeah, but that was actually, once you start getting into it, it all makes sense, eh? It's pretty quick and easy.
It's quite a cool little feature of the shed though, I reckon, anyway.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it brings a nice bit of colour into it as you walk in and breaks it up nice. Yeah. You can see we've got a bit of a covered roof area out here too, which we're just doing the flashings and bits and pieces on now with the Linus feet and that. And
just makes it gives it a nice clean finish when we just line underneath here, eh?
Yeah. You have a few downlights under there and bits and pieces, so it'll be a nice entry into the office.
Yeah, so office and bathroom in here, eh?
Yes, correct. Yep, office in there, so 4x4 office and then a 2.5 by 2 metre bathroom.
Cool.
Yep. So at the moment with the concrete grinding, they've getting down to the exposure that they want and they're happy with, and then they'll obviously polish that. We can push our joinery back in, start putting our doors back in and stuff like that. Next step from there, we've done our insulation now, so we've got a pre-line next Wednesday, and then it will be jib, plaster, paint,
Oh, nice. So it's really coming along.
Yeah, on the home straight.
Thanks for giving us a little bit of an insight of what's going on so far.
Yeah, thanks.
And yeah, have a good long weekend, and we'll see you next week.
Sounds good.
All right, guys. Thanks heaps.
Awesome. So last time you were here with Andy from Feature Build, and he's done a great job on it. I really like this eave overhang.
Yeah, it's quite a common occurrence that we do in all of our sheds here at Waikato Sheds. If we've got like an overhang or a lean-to or anything like that, we always like to line under here. It gives a nice finish.
Yeah, look, really cool finish. Great spot for the LED lights. And then we've got this awesome joinery from City Glass. Probably my favorite size for our arch slider. 2 meters tall, 2.4 meters wide. Nice, simple sliding door. Gives a great view out, and then come on in here.
Look at this lovely polished concrete floor as well, you know,
Yeah.
kind of match our office. I remember the client came in, he said, we really like what you've done with your guys' floor, so can we have the same in our office/bathroom? And we made it happen.
Shout out Iron Man Concrete Polishing, did a great job on this floor for them here. Another great window here from City Glass. Same again, really appreciate it. That'll be a 900 by 1700 wide window. Now this has all been framed out of steel house framing, so we're able to do it. So you've got nice thick walls there, because that's our portal frame technology. Then you've got the normal walls you come through here for the steel house framing. Simply consented as it is. And then you've got a great little bathroom set up in here. Great toilet, shower, vanity, heated towel rail. Everything that you need for a perfect little bathroom that's set up. Now inside here we've got this big mono pitch set up, as we would have already said, huge New Zealand steel. I like to see we've got this internal wall here.
Yeah, so that's just dividing off, and I think the client's looking into making a little side business, side hustle that he wants to do. So split it off from this section of the garage, and yeah, you're away laughing. But I reckon it's an awesome way just to kind of make it also like a feature wall inside your shed. Just really stands out.
Yeah, it is cool. We've got this Metalcraft PA door. So what we'll do, so we're installing one of these, there's no bottom sill on it, whereas if it's externally there will be a bottom sill, and then we can come through and got a great storage for the caravan inside here. So, you know, great area, really well done from the build crew in that. Just an impressive way to do a shed that's got a lot going on. There's extra areas, nice big roller doors for it.
Obviously you can see the electrical's been done as well, so a lot of the electrical companies say it's really easy to do the electrical in our type of sheds and the systems that we use.
Yeah, that's it. It's the benefit of using the C-section and then what we would refer to as the top hat purlins, because then they always room to run all the electrics all the way through that, so it's really good.
Keep it real tidy.
I'm super impressed with this shed. It's got the great whirlybirds in there. It's super light in here, and that's the benefit people of doing just these LED high bays. They use very little electricity, and you get a great result.
If this is something that you guys are looking for, and you also have an internal fit out component of your shed, Andy and Feature Build, they love doing them, so always get in touch with us. We can put you in touch with the right builders for the project. So if you want a lovely project like this and an awesome Waikato shed, come see us.
Yeah, that's it. It's a great thing. We love doing the custom stuff. We love doing the interesting things. We've got the architects, we've got the planners, we've got the engineers, we've got all the contacts to make it happen so that you can get your dream shed. Any questions, you don't want to help us out, support the channel, give us a thumbs up. We always love it. Sean and I read the comments, we love replying, so always down for that.
There it is. But yeah, catch you on the next episode.
Have a great one.